What is around us? Environment, yes. In environment, what is present? Environment. In environment, what is present? In environment, what is present? Tell. Different types of living beings, yes. Animals,
Yes.
birds, humans, all are present in environment. Okay. So,
Yes.
where it is present? On Earth, it is present. On Earth, it is present.
Yes.
Yes.
Solar family. Who will tell the meaning of solar family? What is solar family?
In solar system.
Yes, all types of planets, moon, asteroids, meteors. These are solar family. In one type of that, in one among that, one Earth is present. One of the member is Earth. Clear now?
Yes.
On Earth,
Yes, ma'am.
what we need, what is suitable? That is temperature, water, and air is suitable. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo, read first paragraph. Who will read? Hmm? But I am not getting the
Ma'am, I
voice.
can.
Yes, you can.
Genuine was roaming in the garden with his mother while walking. A question arose in his mind. Genuine asked his mother, "What is land made up of?" Mother replied, Do you see the sun every day? The sun too has a family which is known as the solar family. Our earth
Okay.
is
So in solar
one
family,
of the
what is
member
present?
of solar family, which is known as the solar family. Our earth is one of the member of the solar family. The most important point is that only the earth among all the members of solar family has got the suitable temperature, water and air to sustain living beings.
Got
Generally,
it?
it is believed that
Bus this.
part
So what is solar family? In which Sun, all the different types of planets, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Mars, Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn. Yes, meteors and asteroids. These all are known presented in the solar family. In that, all on Earth, all the suitable, that is temperature, water, and air is present. That's why living beings are living on Earth. Clear? As Earth is a fireball. Okay? So it cools down slowly and then it was transformed into liquid to solid form. So it is known as lithosphere. What is lithosphere? All types of rocks and soil which is presented in lithosphere. Then comes hydrosphere. Water. Only water. It is hydrosphere. Then biosphere. Different types of living beings. And atmosphere means different type of gases. Clear? Clear? Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who will read second
Yes.
paragraph?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Generally, it is believed that part of Sun which has been detached from the Sun after the collision is Earth. At the time of its origin, it was in the form of a fireball. This fireball started to cool down slowly. Many elements of the Earth got transferred to liquid and further into solid form. During this process, the elements which get transferred into solids are known as lithosphere. The elements which got transferred into liquid are known as the hydrosphere. The elements which transferred into gases came to be known as the atmosphere. Above all, the living world which developed due to land, water and air came to be known as the biosphere. In this in this way, the four sphere came into excess, existence of Earth.
Got it? Different four spheres such as hydrosphere, lithosphere, lithosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere. These are four types of sphere which is presented on the earth. Litho means soil and rock, hydro means water, bio means all type of living beings, and atmosphere means different gases. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Now we will be studying lithosphere. Lithosphere means what? Litho means rock and sphere means layer. It means lithosphere, the sphere in which we live, that is lithosphere.
Ma'am, can I read?
Then how many percent on the earth is lithosphere? That is 29%. Yes, and its thickness is 64 kilometer to 100 kilometer. But thickness is not same everywhere on the earth. In interior and exterior of those physical features, lithosphere is their features are different. Yes, it is mostly made up of which, that is soil and rocks. Where we can see the lithosphere in mountains, plateaus, plains, and valley. Then, as temperature increases, temperature increases, the rocks is molten. Yes, rocks is molten. That's why it is known as magma. As temperature and heat increases, pressure and heat increases, then rocks become strong. Yes, this way the balance between two is maintained. But when balance is broken down, then what happens? Crust breaks and volcano starts erupting. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And whereas lithosphere is full for agriculture, soil and rock is useful for agriculture. Yes. Then in industries, in forest, at that places, what is important? Lithosphere is important and useful. Chalo, who will read?
Ma'am, can I read?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
The sphere on
કેટલું બોલે કેટલું
Ma'am,
બોલે
can
છે
I read?
Yes.
The sphere on
Start beta.
the sphere on which we live is known as the lithosphere. Litho means rock and sphere means layer. The upper layer of the earth is made of soil and solid material like rock. Approximately 29% of the surface of the earth is covered with lithosphere. This layer is almost 64 km to 100 km thick. The
How
thickness
many
of
kilometers thick it is?
lithosphere 64 km to 100 km.
Very good.
The thickness of the lithosphere is not the same everywhere on the Earth. Similarly, their interior and exterior do not have identical physical features. It is mostly made up of substance like soil and rock.
Then landforms.
Landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains, and valleys are seen on the lithosphere. The temperature increases as we move towards the center of the Earth. The
Where we move
mo-
on the surface of the earth, near the surface of the earth, we move it. Temperature increases. That's why balance, pressure, and heat also increases. That's why it is cholesterol. But when it is not maintained, the crust breaks and volcanoes start erupting. Start.
the, the molten rocks in the interior of the Earth are known as magma. There are many gases present in the interior of the Earth which rise up with pressure and heat. But the pressure of rock of the surface of the Earth is equally strong. Thus, balance between the two is maintained, so the crust of the Earth does not break. When the balance between the two is not maintained, the crust breaks and volcanoes erupt. Mummy, how is the lithosphere useful to us? Where can we construct our home if the lithosphere is not there? Without lithosphere, how can we get water to drink, agriculture for food, minerals for industries and forests? Draw a picture dep- depicting all the details you observe on lithosphere based on our conversation.
Got it? Well, lithosphere is useful in agriculture of food. Then, where it is useful again in forest, then in industries, clear lithosphere also does. Girls, 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 I'm asking you, clear lithosphere?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts?
No doubt.
Okay. So who will explain also four spheres? Means meaning of four spheres.
What, ma'am?
All four sphere meaning who will explain me? What is lithosphere? What is lithosphere? What is lithosphere? Who will tell? Litho means soils and rocks. Where we live is called lithosphere. What is hydrosphere? Hydrosphere means
The which got transformed into liquid are known as hydros.
hydrosphere means water. Hydro means water and sphere means layer. Upper layer of the earth is called upper layer of the earth is called lithosphere. Yes.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
what is atmosphere? What is
The
atmosphere?
elements
Elements which are transformed into gases came to
which is made
known
up of
being.
only gases, all type of gases, that is nitrogen, hydrogen, helium, neon. On, this is atmosphere. And what is biosphere? What is biosphere?
A living being developed due to land, water, and air came to be known as biosphere.
What is biosphere? What is biosphere?
All the living things
Living on Earth.
which are living.
In picture only you can see. See, clouds are made up of different types of gases. That's why it is atmosphere. Hydrosphere you can see the water. Yeah. Lithosphere you can see the land, rocks, and soil. That is lithosphere. And biosphere means different types of birds, and you can see it. So it is biosphere. Got it? Got it? Girls.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Who is this S. Pujani ID? Beta. Almas. Solanki Almas.
Yes, ma'am.
What is biosphere? Beta, biosphere means what? All the living beings present on the earth are called biosphere. Got it? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then Fatima Kikani. Fatima Kikani.
Yes,
Kikani
ma'am.
Fatima. What is lithosphere? What do you mean by beta lithosphere? Litho means rock and soil. And sphere means layer. The layer which is made up of rock and soil are called lithosphere. Clear? Next, what is atmosphere? Sakina Bhimani is present. No. Kaprani Sakina. Kaprani Sakina.
Yes, ma'am.
What is atmosphere?
Uh,
What is atmosphere?
ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I say?
हाँ बेटा.
Surrounding.
Ma'am, can
The
I?
layer which is made up of gases. The layer which is made up of gases.
An atmosphere is a layer or a set of layers of gases surrounding a planet or other material body that is held in place by the gravity of that body.
Very good. Now last, what is hydrosphere? Wait, I will tell you who is this. Who is this Nakvi? Nakvi. Beta, what is hydrosphere? Rajani,
Yes, ma'am.
what is hydrosphere, beta?
Liquids made up of liquids.
Yes. Solid to liquid form. That is water. Hydro means water. The layer which is made up of water is called hydrosphere. Means different types of oceans, lakes, and that all are hydrosphere. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear? Clear all the meanings, different meanings
Yes,
of all
ma'am.
the sphere. How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
spheres are there?
Four.
Four.
Four. Which are they?
Atmosphere,
Atmosphere, biosphere,
biosphere,
hydrosphere, and lithosphere.
Okay. What is solar system? What is solar system? Solar family.
What is solar system? What is solar system?
Tell the meaning of solar family or solar system.
Solar system is the system of the sun.
Yes. The sun and its family. Different types of planets and all these are presented in this family are called solar system. Clear?
Yes,
In
ma'am.
that
Yes,
one of the
ma'am.
Yes,
member is
ma'am.
earth, one of the member is earth. So earth is suitable for different types of temperature, water and air. That's why it was divided into four sphere. Yes, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Clear, beta?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good. No any doubts in this lithosphere which I have taught?
No,
No,
ma'am. No.
ma'am.
No doubts. Sure.
Yes,